the future of learning and work with GenAI. Generative AI is redefining how we learn, teach, and work. It personalizes education, automates repetitive documentation, and enhances design and decision making. Yet its true value depends on AI literacy, knowing how to question, interpret, and verify its output. Institutions worldwide are embedding AI into curricula, research, and professional development. The challenge is not whether AI will replace us, but whether we can learn to think with it. AI extends human capability, not consciousness. The future belongs to those who understand how to combine human insight with machine intelligence.